Here, you'll find strategic suggestions to improve your customer satisfaction, whether in the short or medium term. Start with the short-term plans. They provide a summary of your customer's experience from the previous week, along with quick, targeted actions you can apply right away. These actions are designed to create fast impact, correct deviations, or take advantage of opportunities identified in your competitors. The medium-term plans offer a broader diagnosis, a summary of your customer's experience from the previous month, with more elaborate suggestions that require more planning, but can bring consistent gains in the medium and long term. Review the recommendations, discuss them with your team, and choose what makes the most sense right now. These suggestions were generated based on detailed analysis of your customers' feedback and your competitors. You don't need to do everything at once. The most important thing is to take consistent action and track the results over time. To help with that, the platform provides metrics like CSAT and NPS, which help you track whether your customer satisfaction is truly improving. In the next videos, we'll explore these metrics in detail and show you how to monitor the evolution of the customer experience.